guys, welcome back to Veé-ology. I am coming to you guys with my second collaboration for Valentine's. This collaboration, I do have two co-hosts. The first co-host is Tennessee Kim. My second co-host is Tammy Thompson-TVMG. So guys, if you don't have these two beautiful ladies, you must be subscribed to all of our channels in order to be a part of this collaboration. So please go over to these ladies and please do subscribe and check out their content. So guys, what is this collab? This collab is a dinner for two for Valentine's, and I do have a hashtag. The hashtag is a Valentine's Dinner for Two 2020, which you will see here on the screen. On this, you must decorate your table for a dinner for two. Also, you must prepare a meal and plate that meal and record all of it. We want to see how you decorated your table, what meal you did. We want to see all of that. See what you did for your sweetie. So guys, besides that, there is one thing I would like for you to definitely have on your table. And what is that item, guys? That is a candle. I would like for you to have a candle because this is a romantic time. This is Valentine's. It's Cupidus in the air. There is love flowing and lots of hearts. So guys, yes, I want you to incorporate on your tablescape. I would like for you to add a candle. So guys, once again, my co-hosts are Tammy and also Kim. So please remember to go over and subscribe to their channels. Also, guys, the playlist, there are no playlists. The only thing I need for you to do is to add the hashtag to your title. It will automatically drop you into the playlist. That is just that simple, guys. So again, the upload date is February the 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please do not upload your video before that time. If you're East Coast, whatever, please do go and change up to Eastern Standard Time to see exactly what the date is. Please, no early uploads. I just beg you, please, no early uploads. So again, guys, I'm gonna go over it once again so you definitely know. It is a dinner for two for Valentine's. You must do your tablescape, cook a dinner for two, plate that dinner, record all of that, but you must incorporate a candle. It's just that simple, guys. So guys, that is it. Remember the hashtag. The hashtag, guys, is gonna bring you into that playlist. The hashtag is a Valentine's Dinner for Two 2020. That hashtag is very crucial. If you find that you cannot drop into the playlist, please DM me, reach out to me, and I will make sure that I grab you and to add you in. But it's just that simple, guys. Put that hashtag in your title. Put it in your description. That is totally all basically. So guys, do I want to see some yummy meals? Absolutely yes. Do I want to see, I love some tablescapes, guys. So I want to see all these beautiful tablescapes lit up with these candles, guys. So guys, I am so excited for February the 8th. And I'm going to speak for my co-hosts also. They are super excited, Kim and also Tammy. We are just like super excited for this one. I was pushed back because I was suffering with the flu, but never, I am back. So guys, also, please remember on February the 1st is my first upload of collaboration, and that is Sweets for Your Sweetie. Remember, you're baking an item, showing your recipe, designing, and put it up in some type of whatever you choose to, but make sure it is just sitting pretty. How about that? So guys, remember that first one is February the 1st, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And my co-hostess for that one is also Tennessee Kim, and it is Saving with Ms. V. So please, if you're not subscribed to those two ladies, please do go over to subscribe to them, because you must be subscribed for this collab and the last one. So guys, remember February the 1st, Sweets with Your Sweetie. And it is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for upload. Please do not upload early. And the second one is a Valentines Dinner for Two 2020. And that one, guys, is upload date is February the 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So guys, I hope to see you there. And until the next time, guys, bye.